all about school business. You know, I'm just trying to look good for potential recruiters and potential employers, and yeah.
AMA is giving back to the community.
AMA is a place where I get to meet new people.
AMA is collaboration.
AMA is professional development opportunities.
AMA is inclusivity. With over 150 paid members, we welcome people from all walks of life to make sure they're seen, heard, and appreciated.